Welcome back again to my channel today. We're diving into 9 self-care habits you can start this year to become a better version of yourself. This is about being the best you for you. Because when you feel good, you radiate confidence and positivity. Let's get started. We've all heard it before. How you start your morning sets the tone for the rest of your day. Create a morning routine that energizes and excites you. Even 15 to 20 minutes dedicated to yourself before the daily grind can make a world of difference. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment, quieting that constant chatter in our minds, and simply observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. You can practice mindfulness anywhere, anytime. Try incorporating short meditation sessions into your day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference. Focus on your breath, notice the sensations in your body, and let go of any thoughts that pop up. There are tons of great meditation apps and guided videos available online to get you started. Staying hydrated is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder. Finding joy in movement is all about discovering activities you genuinely enjoy. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful mood booster, reducing stress, improving sleep, and boosting those feel-good endorphins. Eating a balanced diet isn't about deprivation or sticking to rigid meal plans. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. And hey, indulging in your favorite treats every now and then is totally fine. It's all about balance. Prioritizing those zizzies is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music. And put those screens away at least an hour before bed. That blue light can interfere with our sleep cycle. Our phones, laptops, and TVs have become constant companions. But all that screen time can take a toll on our mental clarity, sleep, and even our posture. It's important to take regular breaks from our devices throughout the day. Step away from your screens every hour or so, even if it's just for a few minutes. You'll be amazed at how much more refreshed and focused you feel. Humans are social creatures by nature. Strong social connections are essential for our emotional well-being, reducing stress and boosting overall happiness. Make time for the people who matter most. Schedule regular phone calls, video chats, or in-person hangouts. And don't underestimate the power of a simple conversation with a stranger. You never know where it might lead. Hobbies provide an outlet for creativity, stress relief, and pure enjoyment. Think about activities you enjoyed as a child or always wanted to try. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, gardening, writing, or anything that sparks your interest, make time for it. Thanks for watching. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the self-care love. See you next time.